This building is getting added thermal insulation and damp-proofing from polystyrene foam. Every year, over 10 million tons of this synthetic material are turned into everything from facade cladding to disposable bowls and cups and packaging. But while extremely useful, the downside of the material is that it is essentially non-biodegradable and takes centuries to break down. And as it does, it releases minuscule particles into the ground and our water supplies. This man has a plan to replace the plastic pollutant. Since 2008, Alireza Karazipur and his team have been looking into an environmentally friendly alternative, popcorn.
It's similar to polystyrene foam. It consists of a mass of cavities filled with air. You can see them when you dissect a piece of popcorn and examine it under the microscope. That's what makes it so light.
The researcher and his team have already used popcorn to create kitchen furniture. They are showing manufacturers the range of potential applications for popcorn. The first step is to turn it into a mass of granules, all the same size. The original maize is grown in Germany. While that is land-intensive, on the plus side, the material will help to reduce fossil fuel consumption.
And you can eat it. It tastes a lot like popcorn, except there's no sugar, salt, or chocolate, of course. So the taste is a bit boring.
The granules are then pressed together to form sheets or panels, with plant protein providing the bonding agent, as opposed to synthetic chemicals. This makes the material compostable and even suitable as animal fodder. The team are pioneers in the field. They also use a hot air gun to compare the thermal conductivity of polystyrene foam to that of popcorn, and then measure the heat that penetrates through to the back. In the case of polystyrene foam, the sensor reads 28 degrees Celsius, while the popcorn board is even better at absorbing the heat. Here, the reading is under 25 degrees.
You can fit wooden houses with the panels, in the walls or on the facades. You can also use them as insulation for solid-walled buildings.
And the popcorn material also performs better in the flammability test. The polystyrene burns up at a frightening speed, immediately beginning to melt and release toxic gases. Subjected to the same flame, the panel of popcorn barely catches fire. Alireza Karazipur is happy to pass on the fruits of years of research on the material. He hopes to see environmentally friendly products made from popcorn replacing polystyrene foam on a large scale, and the sooner the better. The first popcorn packaging is due to go on the market in the fall of 2021 and will hopefully help to reduce the world's growing mountains of plastic waste.